She was too weak to stand up, but she still had the strength to wag her tail. I rescued hundreds of dogs, but I had never seen anything like this before. Someone abandoned her in front of my refuge door. When I first saw her, I could smell tar, and it burned deep into her skin. I used to help this guy. Now it's over. I was just crying for a long time. To do this to a dog who was so full of joy and love is just unimaginable. Now she is completely transformed. She never lost her spark. Despite the condition she was in, Django just loves people.
Django!
Now Django is ready to find her forever home. She's quite a good match for any kind of family. She is inspiring me every day to not lose hope. It's giving me a lot of strength to continue helping the dogs in Morocco.